Hello fashion lovers, welcome back to Fashion Dance Stylista Moda. In today's video, we'll be learning a very wonderful color scheme, but before that, you are requested to subscribe the channel, like the video, share the video with the like-minded people and leave the comment in the comment box. So let's start today's topic, which is the split complementary color scheme. What is split complementary colors? Before that, we have to understand this. In previous video, that means color scheme 4, we have learned about the complementary colors. Complementary colors, that means the contrast color or the opposite color in the color wheel. For example, the red is the complementary color to the green. Here you can see in the color wheel that these two colors are opposite to each other. On the both side of these colors there are 5 colors and 5 colors. So this is the recapitulation of complementary color scheme. Now let's understand what is split complementary color scheme. In split complementary color scheme there are 3 colors. One is the main color and 2 are the colors which are on both side of the its complementary color. Example, we have taken that red is complementary to green. So in such way the bluish green and yellowish green, which are on the either side, on the both side of the green color, are the split complementary color for the red. So we can use all these 3 colors all together while we are using the split complementary color scheme: the red, the bluish green and the yellowish green. So in this way, altogether we can prepare 12 pairs or 12 trios of split complementary color scheme. One we have done with and rest 11 are as. This is the second, which is reddish orange, green and blue. Orange, bluish violet and bluish green. Yellowish orange, blue and violet. Yellow, bluish violet and reddish violet. Yellowish green, red and violet. Green, reddish orange and reddish violet. Bluish green, orange and red. Blue, reddish orange and yellowish orange. Bluish violet, yellow and orange. Violet, yellowish green and yellowish orange. Reddish violet, green and yellow. That's it. So this is the entire palette. You can see on your screen. This is one of the easiest color scheme to understand with, but one of the trickiest color scheme to apply, because a lots of vibrant, lots of dominating colors are there, colors from the different families, different categories are there. So it is very difficult or very tricky to use them on one background or in one scheme or one garment or at one place. So let's learn its applications. So now we'll see the application of split complementary colors. I'll be using these colors in these 4 accessories: the handbag, a shoe, a scarf or in a bandana. So we'll see how we can use these colors carefully, and so that it should not look so dominant and that kind of. So first I'll be using it in the handbag. I'll be using the color scheme here. The first we have discussed, which the red, bluish green and the yellowish green. 2 shades of green, 1 shade of red. So I'll be trying my level best to make it possible that we can work maximum with the reddish with the red and the bluish green, and will highlight the things with the yellowish green so that it will not look so gaudy. So what I am doing, I'll just design a bag where we can use these 3 colors. First I am using the part which we need to color with the red. So this half portion I'll be coloring with the red. like this. Now I'll create another color, that is bluish green. A more of blue. And a pinch of yellow. This is bluish green color we have created, and now we'll apply this in the back. So now what we'll do, we'll highlight the things with yellowish green color. We'll take a more of yellow, and a pinch of blue. The fashion, you can say, statement, it can be. So this, now do with the next. Here we have taken a color scheme where two similar colors are opposite to one. Now we'll see two different color are opposite to one, and this color scheme would be
yellowish orange, yellowish green with violet. One is from the green family, one is from the red family, and one is from the, these all three different colors are there. So we'll be using these three colors. First I'll be using the yellowish green color. Here I'll be using it. Yes, right. Now let's use the another color, the second color, which is yellowish orange. For that we'll take a lot of yellow, and a pinch of red. How vibrant this color is, you can see. But when we'll use this with the, because I'm using both the fluorescent color on the base just to balance, here I'll be using it on the tip of the shoe. What are the portion that we'll do with the violet color is the line left in the sole. and in this I'm using yellow color as a base.